for men. We choose the brand, we created it, that's fashion and freedom. You might be thinking, what's the need for a fashion brand that's formal, that has formal wear for men? You actually feel very confident and bold when you go into formals. When you have to give in presentations, you act very formally when you go for interviews. And secondly, people treat you in a very different way when you come into formals. Like if you step into a store, if you are into formals and you are well dressed up, so people will treat you in a different manner rather than if you are shabbily dressed. So the products we are covering that are, we do have formal shirts, trousers and formal shoes. Now we have
So product features of our product are, it has strong high quality fabrics. That means that the fabric of our product is it is imported from high quality and comfortable. It is comfortable, like it is stretchable and makes the customer feel comfortable. And it is well tailored and slim fit, so according to the mind dimension of the customers. And it is wrinkle resistant, like the fabric is chemically treated and that provides wrinkle free resistance and wrinkle free appearance. Moisture management, the fabric of the product is made of such quality that it absorbs the sweat in the summer.
For the purpose of segmenting our customers, we have divided our target group in 4 segments, which are on the basis of demographic, which means we have differentiated the population through their age and income and their occupation, and for the on the basis of their behavior, like for how they behave to a particular change, and on the basis of psyche, what they have, what personality they actually have, what occupation they have, and on the basis of geographic, we have divided our customers on the basis of like nationality, area, and what the characteristics of our target segment on the basis of these segments are, on the basis of geography, we have our target groups in India and the urban people. On the basis of demographic, these are the middle-aged people which have their income level more than 35,000 per month, and they are working professionals. And on the basis of psyche, they are middle social class people, and their personality and their lifestyle possess that they are professionals. And on the basis of their behavior, we have chosen the persons which are loyal, and they are the people who find benefits out of the products.
Now I am about to discuss about our leading competitors. As you know, we are a new brand in the market. There are already market leaders. First is Peter England. They have fine shirts, decent pricing for low to mid-range customers. Second is Arrow shirts. They are formal shirts, basically fine colors. They are mid to high range in pricing. Van Heusen, it's a very old market leader in clothing, very fine clothes. Fourth is Zodiac. It is priced in the mid-range, suits middle-aged persons, nearly 35 to 40 years. Last is Blackberries. They have aggressive marketing, huge stores, and they even provide custom tailored suits as well. Now it's about the pricing. As we are a new brand in the market and there are already many leaders in the market, so we are not very aggressively performing, and we wish to create only 10 to 15% penetration in the market right now. So we are pricing it so that it's not on to your range and it is in the mid-range segment. So the shirts are priced at $8.99 to $15.99 in various colors. Trousers, pure cotton, range from $999 to $17.99. Also, we are providing custom tailored suits according to the needs of the consumer.
We can promote our products through advertisements, social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and we can also host certain fashion shows, and we have our own website fnm.in. Also in this advertisement there is a fashion rank walk in which there are candidates in formal wears and others are in casuals, and it is noted that formals candidates have rated more than casuals, and here we present our rank.
लेकिन हैंगओवर में चल रहा है। हाँ हाँ
As you said, your competitors are the top brands like Vanos and Arrow. So these brands generally have loyal customers. So do you think your pricing strategy, which you more focused on, will affect such loyal customers?
In the first phase, we are just trying to focus on the customers which are looking for good quality products just at a nominal price. We just had products, the maximum was 1600. So I think that will be enough to break their loyalty. They might get a chance to shift and try new products. So the second.
So that, as you said, that you're targeting bigger brands with their price range between $8.99 and $15.99 as you mentioned. Then why are you taking the bigger brands as your competitors? Then so you are focusing on companies such as Pantaloons and other stuff who are providing the same articles under these price range. Then your competitors should be those and not the other ones.
Because we are providing the high quality at the low range, that's why they are our competitors. Which quality we are providing that matches to their quality, not the time.